Things you need to know before opening UK TikTok account. Hi guys, my name is Modupe and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So in this video, I am going to be answering all your questions on UK TikTok account. I've gotten a lot of comments on the videos I posted on how you can open a UK TikTok account in Nigeria or any other African countries. So I'm just going to be going to the comment section right now and I'm going to be answering everything, every of your questions, every of your doubts, anything you want to know. I am going to be answering it. So let's go. So the first question I'm going to be answering is, can I also log in into my Nigerian TikTok account on the same phone? The answer is yes. Once you download TikTok app, you can log in multiple accounts. So if you still want to run your Nigerian account, you can do it on the same phone. You don't have to bother like stress yourself getting another phone. You can just switch in between. Once you log in the two accounts, you just need to switch. The next question is, do I always have to open incognito mode to access the account and post? Now, in the last video I posted on how to open UK account, I told you that when you go to your browser, you go to incognito mode to go to access tiktok.com. Now, this is only for you to open the account. Once you open the account, you are going to be using your app to log in. So you don't need to use any incognito mode. Once you open it and you wait for a few days, you are going to be using your app to log in. I can't see the option to change my region. Now, so when you are trying to open a UK account on your browser, when you get to that part when you need to change your region, there are times that you will only see Nigeria there. You will not see the other regions where you can now pick UK. What you will do is you will reload your browser. Once you reload your browser, you are going to see all the regions. Can you start creating content immediately or after some days later? So my advice is wait for about 7 days. Yes, just wait it out for 7 days before you start creating content. How about the location? Are you supposed to off your location? Now, when you are opening your UK TikTok account, just follow the process in the video I posted. You don't need to put off your location. The only thing is you changing the region. If you have not seen that video, go and watch it. Do I have to create a new email or is it the same one I'm currently using in my country? Now, since we all know that we are using email to open UK accounts because we don't have UK number, right? The reason why I said you don't necessarily need to open a new email if you have an email that you've not connected to TikTok before. Now, the main point is an email you have not connected to TikTok before. So if you have any email, any personal email, so far you've not connected it to TikTok before, you don't need to open a new one. You can use it. Can I post my Nigeria content there? And will it be wise for me to go live with it as time goes on? Please advise us on things to do with UK accounts. Okay, so the thing is, UK account is the same thing as every other account. The only difference is the monetization part. So of course, you can also post your Nigerian content there. So far you are getting views and you get to that monetization stage, you will still be able to monetize it, and then you can also go live on it. So you can do anything on UK accounts. The only thing is don't post other people's content. TikTok is very big on copyright, especially UK accounts. If you take another person's video and post on your channel, on your account without any modification or editing, TikTok is going to flag it for copyright. Please, my UK TikTok account is showing me to add location and phone number. What do you advise I do? So my advice is don't add your number because you do not use number to open it. So just ignore it. You don't need to add number. You don't need to add your location. Yeah. So my UK TikTok is showing me to buy coin from my Nigeria bank account. Is it a normal thing? Should I do it? Will it affect my monetization process? Okay, so the thing is, it's not going to affect your monetization process. The reason why it's showing you your Nigerian bank account is because of your phone IP. So if you want to buy coin, it's still going to show you in your currency, but that does not affect your monetization process. Another popular question that people ask is, what niche do you think is profitable? What niche can you post on? Now, my answer is always, there is no niche that is not profitable. It depends on how you do it. Number one thing you need to do is to make your research. If you are going into any niche, search for it. There are people doing it already. There is nothing new again. So you need to do your research, search for it, and see people that are doing well in it, and just make your decision. Please, could you make a video on how to run a faceless content or account? So the thing is, I have a full course on how to run a faceless TikTok account. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be replying you. What if I post the same videos I post on my YouTube channel, and YouTube channel is linked to my TikTok account, so it's obvious I owned both accounts. Now, I mentioned that UK TikTok account is very big on copyright. If you have Nigerian account and you have UK TikTok account, and you want to post just one video on the two accounts, make sure you post it first on your UK TikTok account before you post it on your other account. Because if you post it on your Nigeria account, even though it's your video and you are the owner of the two accounts, and you come to post it on your UK TikTok account, TikTok is going to flag it. The same thing happens to YouTube. Any video you want to post, make sure you post it first on your TikTok before you post it on any other channel. What can I do? My new UK TikTok account I created won't let me follow other people. When you create your UK account, don't do anything on the account. Don't follow anybody. Don't make a post. Wait for about 7 days before you start doing it. I think that's why you are not able to follow people. This question says, if I don't have international passports, what else can I use to verify my account? Now, when I got my account monetized and I wanted to verify it, I used my international passport. Now, I've seen several videos on TikTok. People said they used their NIN, and I also mentioned it too when people were asking in the comment section that you can use NIN. But I got a comment and the person was like, the NIN didn't go through. I think maybe TikTok just started that. So I really don't know. You need to get international passports when you get to your monetization stage. That is what you are going to use, since TikTok is not accepting NIN again. When we open a UK account, can we still post Nigeria as location on our content? Yes, you can. If you are targeting Nigerians, you can put Nigeria as still your location. That will not affect your monetization. How do I open Pounds account? So there's a video I already posted on how to withdraw your money using Gray. So once you open Gray account, you'll be able to get Pounds account. That's what you use to get your money from UK TikTok accounts. So I'm going to be ending everything with this last question. So the person says, Modupe, your explanation is not clear. Why only UK? We have Germany, France, Spain. Explain. Okay, so the reason why I said I'm even going to use UK and US as an example, because that's like the common currency that we know in Nigeria. Like now, there's no much information on how to open German bank account, because TikTok is going to pay you on the currency you open, the currency of the region you open your TikTok. We are very familiar with pounds, like the conversion, and then the dollars. Now, people would now say, okay, why not US TikTok accounts? US TikTok accounts, okay, I'm going to be mentioning two reasons. The first one is the conversion rate of dollar to naira is lower than pounds to naira. Another one is TikTok, US TikTok, they are very strict with some rules on TikTok. They will ask you for your, I think, your address and all of that when you're about to verify your account. But TikTok, UK TikTok, you can still bypass those things. So that's why I always advise UK TikTok account. So the other ones, you can open it, or if you have information about the bank, how you can open the bank you are going to use to get your money. Of course, you can open it, but then I will always advise UK TikTok account. And that is all about everything you've asked me in the comment section, and I've also replied you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to other people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.